Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures and welcome to a video here on the channel. I'm, Cleethorpes Country Park. I'm still here in northern Lincolnshire going for a ride out today with Lindsay Road Cycling Club. So come and join us, it's going to be a good one. It is very cold again, 2 pairs of gloves on, arm warmers over the top of full sleeve jerseys. It is very cold, but we're going to get out there and warm up a bit as soon as Tony shows up. To be fair, I'm actually early for once. Here he is, just showed up. Morning.
Hey mate. Oh, he's got the video out.
It's a beautiful morning. Look at that. It's about 8:20 and the sun is already up on the horizon. It is very chilly though, very chilly. So we're heading off down Tetney Road at the moment. Yes, I'm wearing my stethoscope again. That will be a familiar sight on the channel. Yeah, so I'm riding with Lindsay Road Cycling Club today. It's the local club in this area. I'm working with them as well to build a brand new website. Hopefully launch it in the next few weeks. I'll drop a link down below to their site as it is right now if you want to check it out, if you want to join the club, find out a little bit more about it. As you see, the roads this morning pretty empty. It's too cold. I've seen a little while once I've warmed up. Just on the edge of Ashby at the moment. The group ride is at 9:30, so we're a little bit early, so just having a bit of a photo shoot, aren't we?
Total round.
I mean, look at the sky, it's beautiful. Absolutely stunning this morning.
So you come here on some days when there is just a little bit of dew, and this is like a mist about 1 metre, 2 metres over the grass.
So if I was looking for a cycling club, Tony, why would I choose Lindsay Rose?
I think the first question is, why would you join a cycling club? Because a lot of people don't feel the need to. I think it's a combination of experience, of camaraderie, of variety, people with different opinions, different knowledge.
So what you're asking is, what do you want to get from a club in the first place?
Basically, yeah. It's organisation, progression. A club's the best place to learn and grow, to start off in cycling and progress in the sport, to see different elements of the sport. I know our club has got different things. It's not just a racing club. There's
people finding a cycling club just to gain confidence for riding amongst traffic. I mean, that's why I joined. One of the reasons why I joined way back when.
Well, you make great friends in a cycling club. I started at 14, 15 in Selby CC when I was a young lad.
You're now 40?
56 now. I had a break of about 8-9 years when life, family, marriage, work took over, and then I moved to Grimsby to be near my wife's family, and I started here again in 98, 99 in the Armstrong era.
So what's riding in North Lincolnshire got to offer then?
First of all, people think Lincolnshire's flat. Well, a lot of Lincolnshire is, but our part of Lincolnshire isn't. And we have such a variety of riding. You can choose flat rides if you want along the coast, in the Vales, but then we've got the Lincolnshire Wolds.
And where we are right now from Ashby Confenby, it's less than a mile, isn't it?
The countryside is beautiful. The roads are quiet, relatively quiet. We've got off-road rides. It's not really, as you know, gravel country, but certainly bridleways and paths. Just such a variety of roads and riding round here. There's advantages and disadvantages to living in Grimsby. I mean, your advantages is it is a quieter place. You're right on the end of the A180. You do have to travel an hour really before you start in major journeys, which is a disadvantage. But as a cyclist, it's amazing. It's just a lovely place to live if you want to ride a bike. You always video me with a bloody flat.
Everybody loves watching a flat when it's somebody else. Second puncher of today. Just going up the valley through Wold Newton. Road's a bit sketchy, some ice, so just have to be careful on the way through. But today's cafe will be Louth Tennis Club. How we get there? That's a good thing about doing a group ride with people. You don't know always where you're heading, which is a nice surprise. We don't just do road rides here at Lindsay Roads, but Audax as well. Our Audax person right in front, Dean Pryor, giving me the first season of Audax in this part of Lincolnshire for a good number of years. So I'm looking forward to seeing what Dean's got in store for 2025. Catch up. Well, I got split up from the group messing about filming, and here at Tennis Club, and I'm here before them, or there was talk about going somewhere else, so I hope they've not gone somewhere else because I don't know where the somewhere else is. Cut through, straight through Louth, past the church, up the hill. Hey up. Yeah, so this is Louth Tennis Club. One of the very popular stops here with Lindsay Roads. So I'm going to go in there and grab some kind of breakfast. There's a cafe stop over with, and we're heading back to Grimsby now. Right, done and dusted. Got 60k on the clock. I may peel off on the way back somewhere, get a few more miles in. Another ride, another weekend out with Lindsay Road Cycling Club. The gloomy one, but at least it's dry. It's probably about 10 of us out this morning. Let's see, I have a low number count, 2, 4, 5, 8. Not bad. The 1st of Feb, Pinch Punch, 1st of the month, all that. Just great to be out. So heading closer now to the turnaround point of today's ride. We've got Belchford Hill on the right hand side. Amazing views of the walls here. Going up the crossroads at Tetford, I believe, turning left to go up and down Rookland. This is a nasty little climb, just as I like them. A bit of a pit stop today in Louth. I believe we're going to, well, I can imagine going to the tennis club. So looking forward to that, especially as I'm not feeling 100% this weekend. Hopefully, fingers crossed, get out for a big ride tomorrow for myself. But today I thought I'd just ease myself in with the fast group. It's not too fast, very accessible. The views, and this side as well. Well, I probably won't come on camera, but there's a massive murmuration above us. Yeah, so turning about a mile up the road. It's one of those climbs, fast descent, dig yourself out. Long dig.